Hi guys, welcome back to MB Learning. Today our topic of discussion is high temperature hydrogen attack. So today we see that how hydrogen damage or metal. You see in your picture that this is a microscopic picture of a material which is under the hydrogen attack. This is let's suppose this is the boiler tube, and you have seen that how hydrogen has create damage on the surface of the boiler tubes, and you can see that cracks are so visible and dangerous. As you know that hydrogen is a very light and small molecule gas, and it will penetrate inside the atomic structure of the iron or steel, and it will inside go inside and uh, create vibration, make methane gas, which will ultimately results in the cracking of the boiler tubes. So we see in next slide very in detail, and let's go. Have you seen that here? One of the things that I want to tell you, that high pressure and at high elevated temperature hydrogen attack is very damaging. So we see at 204 degrees C what's happened. As you see that this is a piece of metal, that hydrogen penetrate inside the piece of metal. And it will react with the iron carbides, and it will create 3Fe. It means that Fe and CH4 hydrogen combine with the carbon and create methane gas inside the metal structure. And this methane gas will ultimately trap inside the metals, and it become damaging. So we see in the next slide that that hydrogen react with the carbon, and it make methane, and methane is trapped inside the metal structure. So it has no way to go out, so it will create pressure inside the metal structure, and it will ultimately cause the cracks. You have seen in your slides that when hydrogen become trapped inside the metal structure, then it will create cracks, which we have seen in at micro level, that this condition will occur after methane creation. And now we see ultimate results of hydrogen attack, that how brutally hydrogen has damaged this heat exchanger. And we have seen detail that how this damage becomes. And first of all, the hydrogen penetrate inside the metal structure, then it will react with the carbides and carbon present in the metal, and it will create methane gas inside, and methane gas become trap, and the pressure of methane gas increase, which will ultimately result in the cracking and damage of the metal. So this was our topic today about high temperature hydrogen attack, which is one of the leading cause of the boiler tube failure.